Let's start with the HANA installation. So first of all, we have to create a virtual machine. Here, create a new virtual machine. We have to give a name like that is HANA 1. Basically, I will create two servers. So here that is the Linux and this is Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9. Next. So here I am selecting this SSD2. Next. CPU here 12. Memory, total memory is 256, so 128 GB for one server, and that is total 1 TB. And now I have to select the source. So I already installed and I already upload the image file. So I use that upload button that time. So now I select next. So that is the name, and data store SSD2, and CPU I use the 12 and memory 128. Okay, everything is fine. Now finish. So now I will create another server, that is HANA 2. That is HANA 2, the same Linux, and it should be the same. Yeah, I can use the same because still there are storages left. So next I can use the CPU, total 12, memory 128 GB, and it should be 1 TB. And image, the same image what I store here. Select next, finish. So I will install OS the both server. Let's start this one. I can start install HANA 1 and 2 together. So I'm selecting this one as well. So that I can continue both installation together. So you can see that is the HANA 1 and HANA 2. So I select the English, continue. So here installation, I will select the custom, done. Here it should be automatically. And now I will check something little bit here. So we basically need more space in the root directory. So I will put here, I can copy this and I put here 70, update 70 here, and in the root I can put that size and update settings. So what I did, basically the by default it gives more space on the home, so but I just change. I don't need to change anything, only this size I have to change, and done here. Accept changing. And now installation selection, don't need to add any additional thing, just server with GUI and done. And here I can select the networking. So here configure, here IP4 at on 192.168.1.115. This is 255.255.255.0. Here 192.168.1.1. Just yeah, and it should be manual. So first server IP is 115, save, and here I have to give a host name, that is HANA SRP1. So that is the HANA one and that is the HANA SRP1. Just apply. I can see the current host name is HANA SRB1. Done. And root password, I can just put 123. Here also 123. And same way here I have to allow. Otherwise, immediately I cannot log in with the PuTTY or any FTP software. Done. And just start installation. The same way I am doing the second server, English, United States, continue. Here also custom. Done. Click here automatically. Here I have to just change the size. Copy here, I put here 70. Update settings. Here I put the what I copied. Update settings. Accept changes. So here software selection, I don't need to add anything, just the all basic settings. Here network and host name, same way I can select the it should manual at IP 192.168.1.116 because this server IP was 115, so I provided here 116. 255.255.255.0 192.168.1.1. That's it, just save. And host address HANA SRB2. This is HANA 2, the host name is 2, and that is HANA SRB1, and that is HANA SRB2. Apply. Done. Root password also same 123 23 23. Allow root SSH login. Everything is fine, just begin installation. So we have to wait until it's finished. So now installation completed for the both server. So now I have to reboot the both server here. Start setup. Next, skip to name here. Next, password 123. Next, same way I have to do here. Next, skip. Two, three, 1, 2, 3. So now I have to register my server. So here the registration system. So in this purpose, I have an account in the Red Hat Linux. So here I can just select the subscription, login, and I need to put my password. Register. The same way I have to click here. Subscription. Yeah, registration successful. Login. My username is wrong. Okay, registration done for the both server. So here actually I don't need to do anything. I can directly go to the POTI and I should be able to log in. So that is the HANA server 1. That is IP 115. So just try to connect. Accept. That is for the first time. So I log in with the root user. 1, 2, 3. And I try to connect with the second server. New session. Accept. Root 1, 2, 3. Host name. That is HANA server 2. That is HANA server 1. So our 2 server is ready to install the HANA system. So what I will do, I will install the HANA server. It's a multi-host system. So it's kind of that if one server goes down, that another server is automatically take care. That is also called the scale out. So that's this in this video is just only for the how I prepare the OS. In the next video I will show you how to install the all packaging, how to configure the OS, and after that how to install the all HANA package, and install the HANA Platform Edition. Okay, thank you.